Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be exploring Greenshift's typography panel in the WordPress block editor. Okay, so we can access the editor with a few ways, but the easiest is to just go to the page you want to edit on your website, and then you have your toolbar over here. Go ahead and click on and you can see we are now on the block editor. So you can see that we have our elements here, our actual page, and we have our sidebar and our block inserter over here. Okay, so let's start off by replacing these elements here with ones from Greenshift. So if we click on this, you'll see that under the block, it's from Stackable. So let's go ahead and replace these ones with ones from Greenshift. So you can see Stackable. We can scroll down here and you can see Greenshift elements. Let's go ahead and hover over Heading Advanced, click on it, and then we can drag and drop it to go over here. Okay, and then let's click on Text Advanced and drag and drop that underneath just so we can copy them. All right, perfect. So I'll just go ahead and copy paste whatever these ones say. And there. Oops. Actually, let me copy that there rather than cut it. And insert it here. Okay, about us. And then this one, I'll copy this. And then insert it here. Okay, so you can see this one is a Greenshift one, and so is this one. So for these two, we can click on these and then delete them, as we've now replaced them with elements from blocks, I should say, from Greenshift. Okay, now I'm going to exit this, and here we are. We have our About Us and our bottom text over here. So let's go ahead and scroll down and look for the typography panel. So I'll close General, I'll close, well, everything else is already closed. And, well, actually, no. We have our heading tags here. So we have H1 through 6, div, and then P. And then we have our presets as to how big and how small they are. I'll put it to heading, well, okay, let's keep it on heading 1. And let's just focus on the typography one over here. So we have a few different options here, starting off with the colors. So first we have classic, which is just one solid color. In fact, maybe I'll make it heading 1 just to make it a bit bigger. And this affects just this block. So I can make it red. And then we have a hover color, which we can make this like blue purple. And you can see when I hover over the block, it changes colors. And then if we have links over it, if it's a link or if there's a hyperlink here, we can also change the color of that. But so this doesn't actually have to be a hyperlink for us to be able to change the colors. And alternatively, we can also have it be where it's a gradient. See that I can kind of change the angle of where the gradient is, and you can see it's darker here than it is over here, but we don't have the hover color as we have over here. And I'll just keep it on that just so we can see the effect. Next, we can also select what font size it's going to be on desktop, mobile, or tablet, and that's just all for making it responsive. Okay, and then now we have options for font size, and we can make it small, medium, extra large. I'll make it extra large, but we can customize the line height as well. So we can make it 50, and it changes the spacing there. I'll just put it to blank just to keep it the default one, and then we can also change the font weight, and you can also make it custom, and you can see the change. The number changes over here. And then we can also change the alignment, left, right, middle. I'll put it on the right side. And then text decoration, we have none. underline, strike through, dots, and then letter case. You can have it default, lowercase, capitalized, and full uppercase. I'll make it full lowercase over here. And then we have advanced typography options. So we have letter spacing a while ago, letter break or per word, white space, no wrap, text wrap. Depends on how much we have. And we can also change further text decorations. And then let's say we have text decoration and hover, and then we can also change the colors over here. So I'll make it the green. All right, so watch what happens. Ooh, that's actually kind of cool. And then line clamp doesn't work on here. And then we can also put the text border on it, and let's change the color. And yeah, and then text border hover. Let's make it white. Oh, that's a lot. There you go. And then custom font style, you can italic or oblique, vertical mode, and there's some websites that would benefit from this. Yeah, let's make it like that. And then we can make it upright or sideways. But default is fine, I think, and we have custom height and width if you wanted to do that. And then we can also change the cursor when we hover over it. Isn't that neat? And that's about it for the advanced typography options. And then we have shadow options to show you how it looks like, right? And then we can also change different blurs for the shadows, as you can see. Okay, and then we can also select the custom font. And in order to add more fonts, we can edit it in our Greenshift settings. So I'll go ahead and save that. And then for this one, it's just the same thing. We can increase our font size here. We're just missing the general tab here for our let's make it a gradient. We're missing the general tab for our heading settings. And then let's scroll down over here. Let's make it 25. Yeah, just make it bigger. And then we can also change the font weight and then put more decorations on it. So make it all caps and put some dots under those. And then the same thing. All right, then we can also change our font over here. So that's our typography panel over here for Greenshift. So let's go ahead and click on Save. And head over here and double check our work. So let's hit reload on the site, and you can see we have changed our header and bottom text over here, our subtitle with elements from Greenshift, and we have customized them with the typography panel in the WordPress block editor. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.